Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to learn briefly what is WhatsApp status privacy. First of all, I'll give a definition of what is privacy. So when you say privacy means confidential information should be disclosed to the only owner of information. No unauthorized accessing of information. So when you say privacy is similar to secret or secrets, it is similar to confidential. So WhatsApp privacy status setting as a setting which help to hide your privacy, help to hide or to protect your confidentiality. So let me click on WhatsApp, then I go to status, right, close the search bar. Here I click, there is status privacy. So I'll explain 3 types of WhatsApp status privacy setting. So setting number 1 is actually this status privacy setting decided who can view your status. So I'm starting to explain my contacts. So when you set my contact as your WhatsApp status privacy, then you click done, means that everyone can view your status, right? Everyone you have saved into your phone book will be able to view your status. That's it. That's the meaning of my contact status privacy setting. So let's move to my contact accept. So this means you want to exclude some few people in your phone book to do not view your status, hide the status from 1 2 3 4. So you can choose, you can just choose, I don't want these people to view my status. So you can mark them and click OK. So this status setting is actually present for hiding some people or excluding them from viewing your status, and hence protect or keep your privacy. After choosing those people who you do not want them to see your status, you click OK, and then you click done. You activate the setting. Not only that, but the last part of status privacy is only share with. Here you decide who you want to share with. Means here I have chosen Lazia, Hassan, Abbas, Abraham. Let me choose and Abdal. So I want only these 3 people to view my status, right? So when I click here, means that for every my WhatsApp update, only those 3 people I have chosen will be able to view my status. So this is just a brief explanation of WhatsApp's privacy setting. Here you can choose which setting you want according to how do you decide how many people do you want them to view your status. If you want all people, choose the first option. If you want you want to exclude some few people, choose this. If you want only specific people to view your status, choose this. So that is how you can make WhatsApp status privacy, and this is an end of WhatsApp status privacy description. Thanks Janicom, thanks owner of WhatsApp for such good status or privacy setting which observe or follows confidentiality rule of security. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, and subscribe for next video update. See you in the next video. Goodbye.